Look at the state of this street urchin. Prince, part-time cat of this parish. Proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself, Prince? What happened to you? You've been swimming in mud? So even though the storm largely passed us by yesterday, this guy still managed to look like that. Like he's been mud wrestling. What do you think, Chops? Who knows how that happened? Well guys, all the babies have gone to be neutered. Apart from little Bean, who still isn't well enough to be neutered. So I'm like an expectant father, because I hate the neutering process. It's very necessary, but it's worrying, especially for the girls. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay. Don't worry. Prince, if you go in my bed, you're dead. Yeah, every time they go under anaesthetic, there's a risk. And some of them are very small still. Hopefully everything will be okay. We still aren't out of the woods with this storm yet. The rest of the island was battered, but we seemed to get away with it quite reasonably well. Didn't we, Chopsy? Who's this up here? Adorable. I can still hear the thunder outside. Harry. Hey boy. At least you're nice and dry, Harry. You don't get wet, Harry, do you? A good policeman never gets wet, Harry. So I'll let you know what happens, guys. Filthy paws. Filthy paws, come here. Look at you, boy. Look at you. What mess you making? Hey, Gypsy. There's another guy you haven't seen for a while. Jojo. Crazy Lola. Chili Pepper. And the others are asleep on my bed. What have you got on you, Harry? You've got some passengers, boy. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Speak to you later. Bye.